Hi people, this is Nettie. Okay, now finally I got the right SD. Okay, so I wanted to show you. Look how beautiful. And this one right there, this one right here is a twin. As you can see on the side there, look how it looks. And you can see this one that is just one. And this one is two. I hope they give. I want to see how it grows. I never seen a twin eggplant, but as you can see, it's full of flowers. I've been giving it its vitamins so they could grow good, and they have some more here. I think two more growing down there, and we got two. How you call it? Eggplant growing. I forgot. Oh my god! You know that I got my mind a little crazy. I forget things very easy because of my condition in 2009 that I caught a bacteria in the brain. So yeah, I'm pretty good comparing to what the doctors were saying. So there goes another one, a baby one, and there goes this bigger one. I hope they give because I don't like eggplant cooked. But if you don't like eggplant and you take the eggplant, you blend it with orange juice or your favorite juice. It tastes awesome. And the eggplant start tasting like the orange. It's like you're eating an orange instead of an eggplant. So that's what I do. That's why I fell so in love with the eggplants. I had a big one before, but it died. And then I put another one there and it died. So this one I'm going to keep it up here. If it gives me eggplants, I'll be more than happy. Plus my lights in the balcony is LED light. That also helps it out. I put it on sometimes at night if it's cloudy and didn't get too much light. Okay, that's one update. I have another one. As you can see, I don't know if the sun is like too bright and it's hard for you to see, I think. Okay, as you can see there, that's two tomatoes. They already started growing. I did this last week and there's two coming up. Two? No, three. It's three. There's two on this side and one on this side. I think that's only, yeah, two together. I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but I'll find a way of growing them. And I think that this little baby one right there is cucumber. Not too sure, but I hope it is cucumber. And let me show you the other part of the update. Yeah, not upgrade, update. This is my strawberry. But before I show you the strawberries, look how beautiful. These two were the ones that I think it was last summer. I put a lot of seeds. These seeds, I bury them. I don't take the seed one by one like a lot of people do, or put it in the blender then drain it. No, I just cut them like if they were potato, peel it, put it on the ground, and put a little dirt on top, and this is what you get. These are the two. The reason why more didn't grow was because when they're very, very small, like this, let's say, and you have them down, lizards, they eat them. So that's why you have to pull it. If you live like in Puerto Rico or areas where there's lizard, it's better to climb them high. If you put them high, for some reason they don't eat it. I don't know why. They probably think they're getting dizzy or something. I don't know. So this other side, as you can see, my strawberries are growing and my granddaughter is already saying it is mine. So as you can see, they're growing very good right there. I hope they throw side shoots so I could have more strawberries. I would love to have like I have in my corianders, a whole stack of corianders. I want a whole stack of strawberries. I have this area right there. This doesn't have anything. I could put them there and see if it works. So this is part of it. The other thing that I had bought before was this. Remember, if you see my videos, it was not as big as this. It was 99 cents type of thing, you know. And it has grown so much. Look how beautiful. And I haven't taken out for dinner, you know, for cooking. And they are beautiful. But now I'm going to have to turn it back the other way so this side could get more sun and turns more beautiful also. There it goes. Very beautiful. I also got my mint is going also crazy. As you can see, I have to put the strings all over the place because they growing like a lot of strings, and I'm just rolling it around there, whatever, you know. And last but not least, I have, let me pull it down, my onions. And I take leaves from here, you know, and eat them. You know, I put them in my food. So they're doing pretty good also. That one back there that has the little peak, I thought it was going to die. It's still trying to force himself to live. This one I think is dead. This one right here is not really doing much. I might take it out. But I got to water these. For some reason, the heat is so much that you water them one day and then, I call it, you water them one day and then it just dries up the next day. So, oh, and I want to show you my experiment. This was my update. Now I'm going to show you. Oh, wait, I need one more update. Wait, hold on. Okay. As they said, somebody asked me if that if I leave the, I call the seeds, they're gonna die because they can't survive with the, you know, with the seeds. It's true, they cannot survive with the seeds, but you have to know when to cut it. You know, right now today I'm gonna cut this one and I'm gonna cut this other side so it could get a refreshment. And this one right here, let me see if you can see my finger. This one right here was the one that hardly had no leaves. I cut the, I call it the seeds, and it's growing beautifully. All of them are starting to grow leaves, you know. And and as I also threw some seeds there to see if they grow. They got plenty of vitamins and everything. I gotta water them. The other day I watered the plants and I forgot to water them. So I'll be doing that next. And the other thing that I wanted to show you, I'm going back to my old experiment. Yes. Before I didn't have anything, no vitamins to put them. But I'm gonna try with these brown pellets. They're 14. They are awesome. That's what keeps my plant so beautiful. Look, this is my other plant that I bought. It was small. I was gonna cut the tip, but it has peppers. And a lot of people, let me see if you can see it right there. I don't know if you can see it right there. And a lot of people tell me, no, you cut that because they could grow better. Nah, I'll leave it there. Let it grow. And then after I finish giving me peppers, then I'll cut it. I don't mind if it's small or big. The other one gives how you call it, adhesives. It's like peppers, but they small peppers. So this is gonna be my experiment again. Let me see. I put it in here like yesterday, I think it was. No, there's nothing growing in there yet, but it should grow soon. And I'm gonna then after this I'm gonna put them in a bottle, like I did the other time. That I put it in a bottle. I didn't have nothing to put vitamins in. I was using a lot of compost at that time, and I couldn't use it on, you know, the dirt on there, so it was starting to die off after they grew real big and beautiful. And it already had that little ball. After they throw all that side, it stays like a little ball. That's the garlic, and it grows. I want to see if I could grow in water, because I noticed in water, in 4 months, in less than 4 months, like around 2-3 months, you already had the little ball. And when you grow it in dirt, it takes 8 months to grow. So, you know, and I can't seem to grow them. You know, I planted a whole bunch. I took a whole 3 packs, 3 balls, and I planted all over the place. It didn't work. So I'm going to try and water. Let's see if that works. I also have more onions here, as you can see, right there. So this is my experiment that I'm doing. This is part of the experiment, but you already seen that it does work. You know, if lizards don't keep moving them around. But like you see over there, when they grow these, I just take them and eat them. You know, like scallop. So I guess, oh, and my papaya right there. Look how big it's grown. It's growing a lot. So my papaya is doing pretty good too. I'm gonna see where I'm gonna put it. But I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do today. That's my choice for today. Okay, this plant, as you know, is also a hise. I think it's a hise. But it's like that plant, but it's not growing all crazy. You know, like I had that plant that is just stringy up, but it has a couple of adhesives. So I have left it there. I might take it out if my eggplant does not work where I have it. I'll take it out and put it out there because I know it will work out there because I had mine for around a year and it was growing beautifully. But I will not overdo it like I did the other time because it got so crazy that I had to go outside and get the eggplant. You know. So this one, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plant it here, but I'm gonna leave it in its original, how you call it, in here. I'm not gonna take it out and strain it again because it's been only a few months that I put it here. And let me see if I got the strength and see if you can see it. Can you see it there? It has how you call it? It has roots already. So I don't know if you saw it, but it's heavy. So how you call it? So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna make a hole, dump it in there. You know, I'm gonna cut the last seeds from the coriander, and let me show you another thing. This is supposed to be that beautiful lemon tree that I had. Look how ugly it got. I don't know what happened to it. It just, I woke up one day and it turned out like that. But I'm gonna see if I could save it and plant it somewhere there, you know, and see if since there they got more space and everything, maybe there it will live. So that's what I'm gonna do. Fix this, put it over there, plant that adhesives, and finish cutting the seeds from the coriander. I guess that's gonna be all. Oh, and plus naturally put water on my plants. So that'll be all for now. God bless you all. Until next time. Bye bye.